Hi everyone, in this video I will show you Shopify appointment booking tutorial. So basically all you have to do here is to create a Shopify account, which is this one. Now inside Shopify account you will see apps. So you have to click that one and then tap on Shopify App Store. In the Shopify App Store, here you can search for appointment booking application. All you have to do is to type appointment or booking application, then you will see tons of applications. Some of it or some of this are built in Shopify. So you have to choose which one you want to try. So for example, if you want to try this one right here, then you have to click and you have to read the information first. If you like it, then all you have to do is tap on the install button. This one is for free. So you have to tap the install button again and then wait for a couple of seconds. And then you should see this application on the left side. So all you have to do is to try this one right here. You can import or you can manually add information here like the booking, whatever product you have or any services you have, you just have to simply add it right here. But since I don't have one, then I have to create first. Also, you can choose another application if you want. So basically, if you want to try another one, let's just say I want to look for other application, you just have to search and then install. This one is way better for me, so I have to install this. Then I have to add the product. So let me add my product first. Let's just say I'm offering hotel services. So once you have added it to your Shopify product, then you have to go back to this application and then tap your product right here, add information. And basically the good thing about this appointment or booking appointment application is you just have to simply select and then just click or just follow anything here. For example, this one right here, you just have to select if you want your customer or audience to book without payment or you need their card information or payment method information. Everything is up to you. You can set dates right here. For example, you are available weekdays, or if you're not, then you can just basically change everything here. Once done, tap on save changes. After that, you can tap on or continue. And then once you're done with adding your availability, you can add more information about this one right here. And then just continue. And basically, once you're done, then you can choose your theme. After that, they will ask you to upgrade, but you have your option to say no. So once you tap the X right here and then refresh, then basically that's it. So you have added a Shopify appointment booking. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.